It's one song about one maniac with a young girl in the car. So there is no reason to clap. If you feel like la 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 la, it's okay. Yes? Do it. Okay, let's go. La 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 la. Do not clap anymore. Okay? Okay, I will start. Oh, listen, in the night, my dog is growling. In the dark, something pulling me outside. To ride around in circles. I know you have family time, 'cause anything I do, you do. We take a ride to the strangers. Don't step out of here. In that car, we are alive. In that car. When I touched you, I felt that you still had your baby fat and little taste of baby's bread. Makes me forget about that. At your age, you still joking, every time you choking, and now we can all move and know each other truly. In that car, we are alive. In that car. Yes. I love the mirror in the window. It kind of wakes me up a little. I love turning on radio, 'cause they play shit like you. When your hand was down on the link, you felt quite uneasy. And now that it's all over, all we got is the silence. In that car, we are alive. In that car. Ah.